I am Josh Dury, an award-winning landscape astrophotographer from Somerset in the United Kingdom. Facing the many climate issues of today, I'm looking for equipment that can help me in the battle against light pollution. It had always been a long aspiration of mine to capture some really dreamy looking nightscape images. When I look up to the stars on a cold, clear night, and when I take photographs of them, typically there are so many stars visible that I can't even distinguish the major constellations. And that is why I approached Nisi. This is their Starsoft Filter. It is a beautiful, well-machined piece of glass. And ultimately what it does is when you look really closely up at this filter, it's got a textured surface, and ultimately it allows you to gather a greater surface area of brighter stars within constellations. In today's climate with the battle against light pollution, I see this filter being essential to capture some really good detailed shots of the night sky. For the purposes of this review, I'm testing the 150 by 170mm model. So the Starsoft filter acts as a graduated filter, so on the top you have the effect, but on the lower there is no effect, which means you can blend your foreground with dreamy nightscapes above, which makes the stars and the constellations sparkle in your night sky images. And what you can do, some astrophotographers like to or not, is to control the density of the filter by just literally pushing the filter up and down in its appropriate holder. For me personally though, I like to hold the filter in front of my camera lens, so you can really control how much detail you want to come through, and you can shake your Starsoft filter. This filter is really good for testing with the latest lenses like the Sigma 14mm DG-DN lens. You can check out my latest review on that lens using the link above. So this filter is made using Nisi's exclusive nano coating, which enables maximum transmittance and limited flaring. So this filter has an oleophobic and hydrophobic coating, which means this filter is both water and oil repellent, which makes it even easier for cleaning. So it doesn't matter if the temperature drops, you can easily clean your filter afterwards. It's worth investing in Nisi's S6 filter holder kit. So this is designed to hold primarily 150mm filters like the Starsoft, and ultimately it comes in two parts, the filter holder itself and the adapter. So when using these adapters, I recommend Nisi's thread adapters. Ultimately, it means that this element attaches to the front of your lens, and then you just simply click on the filter adapter in place. And I just love the build of Nisi's equipment. I'm not just saying it, guys. When you're holding this equipment, it just feels so well machined and manufactured. For me, it just boasts volumes that Nisi goes to the extra length to provide good durability filter holders and filters alike. So why would I recommend Nisi Starsoft Filter compared to other astro alternatives on the market? Nisi produces good quality optics, guys, and not being funny, they are much cheaper as well. So even if you're going for the 100mm variant or even the 150, with the appropriate filter holders, it will revolutionize how you take astro photos. So would I recommend Nisi's Starsoft filter? So I'm not going to just say it, it is the truth. When I tried out the Starsoft filter for the first time, I was awe-inspired by the results. To see the stars accentuated with a greater surface area is what I wanted to see. The major constellations like Orion, Ursa Major pop in the night sky, so I definitely recommend this filter. One thing I would say is definitely go for the 150 to 170mm model like the one I'm holding here, because it means you can use it with the latest lenses, and so with the appropriate holders, this creates an amazing astro setup. And that is why I've chosen Nisi.